So we will learn about aliasing concepts in Cypress. So how to alias the element. So by using as. So we will write a test case for aliasing in Cypress. Aliasing in Cypress. Okay. So for each elements we need to alias. So for list items. So I will take one example for the list items. Okay, this is our application, right? So we are on the login screen. Okay, we are on the login screen. So capture the elements. So by using CSS selectors. So I'm taking the proper to identify the elements. So go to here, features. So I'm capturing these elements now. So this is completely so by using ID. So just check with ID hash control. This is the ID. See, totally one element is matching no ID. So list items, right? So I'll take this navigation UL items. How much like class one? Control class. So zero elements will matching it. Okay. I'll go with the ID only. So complete elements. Just space UL is the list. So totally this bar contains okay, two elements are matching. What are the two elements are matching? Visible. I will put visible. So here it won't work. No. Okay. This is the my list item. Okay. So two elements are matching. Come here for the list item. Totally 17 elements are matching. No? Totally 17 elements are matching. Okay. Okay. We'll take this element. So totally 17 elements. No? These are hidden. Some of the elements are hidden. No? So we will work with the only the visible elements. Okay. Cy dot get totally visible visible elements. So what are the visible elements? We'll see now. How many elements will come? It will come around six elements are visible elements. So totally six elements. One, two, three, four, five, six. There are totally six elements. For this, we will create one aliasing element. So normally aliasing element is nothing but say we have identified the this is the HTML DOM element. So by this get method, we are referring the DOM method. So instead of this DOM method, actual method, this is the actual method. So with this DOM, with this element only, we are able to identify there are totally six navigation header bars. So we have identified the DOM element. By this element only, we are able to say there are totally six elements available, navigation bar elements. So instead of going every time with this actual value, we can go with aliasing value also. There is an option to maintain aliasing values. Navigation, navigation, navigation elements, header, navigation elements. Okay, we can use this name. This is aliasing name. Now we don't want to go with the actual element. We can go and validate remaining steps with the aliasing element. See how we are going to declare the aliasing element. Cy dot by using get method only we will declare, but we need to give at references at header nav elements. Okay, header nav elements. So this is the header nav elements. See, line by line we can check it. See, header nav elements are 6 elements. Now we can see header nav elements are 6 elements. After this, what I will do now, dot should be visible. So I will do each and every validation. Should this element should be visible, right? It should be visible. This element should be visible. See, step by step. So assert method. So these totally 6 elements to be visible. They are visible, and we can use chainable method and assertion dot and normally we should go with this. Normally we have to validate the length of the elements no by using should assertion. So that is the inbuilt assertion. Instead of going should again, we can go with the chainable process, right? You understand, right? Dot should, see, have dot length comma 6. Got it, right? See, now I'm this is the actual element from the application, but this is the reference element what we have created by using as means reference element is nothing but aliasing element. With aliasing element, I am identifying. This is also one way, right? See, see now should have length. Length is 6. This is visible plus length is 6. It is more clear, right? Even dot contains. See, even I'm using contains here. So this is one of the list item, right? So go to the elements. See, this is one of the list item. I will say this list item. This is one of the list item. I will say demo. We have demo. So see the inner text, how it is displayed, demo. So copy this text, demo. The contains, this reference element contains list item, comma, see. So with the aliasing element, we are, see the list item contains element. Understood, right? See, now we have each list item contains only one value, but whole, yeah, this list items totally the list item contains, yeah, 6 items, right? Even the tag name we can find out. What is the tag name? Dot should have property. I'm going with the prop method should have property. What is the tag name? Tag name. Tag name is list item. Yeah, like okay, property is tag name. So tag name have we given correct tag name? See, this is the way I give the tag name. Okay, what is the list? See, I have given the wrong list item is what is the list item? Li. It is not picking the case sensitive. It is so this is the but it was Li listed is Li. Okay. Right. Yeah. So this is the test for aliasing. It is very clear, right? Yeah.